Hello students, welcome to Sivaji Group of Institutions online classes, and this is your biology class. Students, in our last class, the first term course of biology is finished now. So from today, I am going to start the revision class from chapter first. The chapter first is the leaf, and the unit 1 of this chapter is also the leaf. So what is leaf? What is leaf? Actually, leaf is the green color structure which is found on the plants, and it is different in shape and size. Green क्या है? When you visit in a garden, you also see the plants, various kinds of plants, and the green color structure which is also present in the plant is called leaf. Green color के structures क्या कहलाते हैं? Plant leaves. And you generally see the leaves in your daily life, daily routine. So student, today we will discuss about the structure and function of the leaf. So what is the structure of the leaf? Actually, leaf is a green color structure. It is a flattened green color structure which is found on the plant body, and it is different in shape and size. Leaves कैसी होती है? Different in shape and size, because some leaves are oval, some are rounded, some are heart shaped, some are elongated, and some are small, some are big. They are different shape and size. Students, generally the structure of the leaf is like that. The leaf is arise from the node of the stem. But what is node? Node is the place on the stem where the leaf arises. Suppose that this is the stem. ये stem है, और stem के जिस भी place से leaf arise होती है उसे बोलते हैं node of stem. It is called node. ये place क्या है? Node. Stem पे वो part जहाँ पर leaf arise होती है उसे बोलते हैं node. Okay. Suppose that this is the node and there is another leaf is arises, so it is also a node. This place is node. And the space between two node, ये एक नोड है, ये एक नोड है, इन दोनों नोड के बीच का जो प्लेस होता है, स्पेस होता है, द स्पेस बिटवीन टू नोड इज कॉल्ड internode. It is called internode, and this place is called node. Node of stem. So leaf is arise from the node of stem. Node of stem से leaf arise होती है. And the green stalk like structure, ये जो green stalk like structure है, the green stalk like structure is called pedicle. This is called pedicle. Pedicle means where we hold the leaf. When you pluck a leaf, then you hold the leaf from this place. This is called pedicle. And now the base of the pedicle is the leaf base. This place, the base of the pedicle is the leaf base. And this flattened green structure, is called lamina or leaf blade. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? फ्लैटेड ग्रीन स्ट्रक्चर. ये फ्लैट ग्रीन स्ट्रक्चर को बोलते हैं लैमिना और लीफ ब्लेड. एंड देयर आर मैनी वेन्स अराइजेस ऑन द लैमिना. इस लैमिना में क्या होता है? बहुत सारी वेन्स अराइज होती है. मैनी वेन्स आर अराइज ऑन द लैमिना ऑफ द लीफ एंड फॉर्म अ नेटवर्क लाइक स्ट्रक्चर लाइक दिस. These veins form a network-like structure. So, this is called veins. ये क्या होती है? Veins होती हैं. And this is the middle vein is called midrib. The middle vein is called midrib, and the side vein is called veins. Okay. So these veins form a network-like structure on the lamina. Students, this is the structure of the leaf. Now why the leaves are green? Leaves are actually green color structure because of the presence of chlorophyll. Because of the presence of a pigment chlorophyll, the color of the leaf is green. And students, this leaf also play a various function. This is the structure of a leaf, and now we will discuss about the functions of the leaf. Actually, leaf play various types of functions. First function of the leaf is the transpiration. Transpiration is the process of loss of excess water in the form of water vapor. Is called transpiration. Students, actually there is a continuous flow of water from the root in the upward direction. Root continuously water absorb करती है. There is a continuously flow of water from the root to the upward direction. So excess water is lost in the form of water vapor. This process is called transpiration. It is a function of the leaf. Second is the photosynthesis. This is the most important function of the leaf, because all leaf prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, they require carbon dioxide, water. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they make their own food. And the reaction of the photosynthesis is this. They make food. The food is, food क्या होता है? ग्लूकोज, और इसमें ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होती है. दिस इज द photosynthesis reaction. Means in the process of photosynthesis they require carbon dioxide, water. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they make their food. Is it glucose, and the oxygen is released, which is used by the other living organisms. So this is the most important function of the leaf. That's why the leaves are called autotrophs, because they make their own food. Next function is the exchange of gases. Students, on the lower surface of the leaves, there are minute or tiny pores are present, and these pores are called stomata. This is the stomata. And stomata help in the exchange of gases. Means in the process of photosynthesis, plant required carbon dioxide. So where the plant get the carbon dioxide? From the atmosphere. From the atmosphere, this stomata absorb the carbon dioxide. So photosynthesis can take place. And in the process of respiration, plants also need the oxygen. And this stomata also absorb the oxygen. So the function of the stomata is to exchange of gases. Means they take in carbon dioxide. In the process of photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. But during the respiration, the stomata take in oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. So stomata help in the exchange of gases. This is the also important function of the leaf. And the next function is the modifying. Modifying. Actually, various types of leaves are modified into various shapes. Like some are reduced or modified into spines, and some are reduced or modified into leaf tendril. So the modification is also one of the important function of the leaves. So this is the structure and function of the leaf, and we will discuss the next topic in our next class. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.